Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to look at a word you probably use all the time, a word that's so common it's practically invisible. But what if I told you it's hiding a pretty fascinating secret? That word is sudden. I know, you're probably thinking, sudden? Really? What could possibly be special about that? And you're right, it's a simple, everyday word, but that's exactly what makes it so extraordinary. So the question is, what is so special about it? Well, that's the little mystery we're going to unravel today. All right, so first things first, let's start with the basics. We've got to look at what we think we know before we can really dig into what we don't. So the dictionary definition is pretty much exactly what you'd expect, right? Very quick, taking no time or almost no time, and being a surprise. You know, a sudden storm, a sudden noise. It's clear, it's to the point, and, well, it's not very surprising at all. Okay, but here's where it gets interesting. The real secret to this word, its special power, it's not found in what it means. The definition is really just the tip of the iceberg. The real clue is all about where you find this word. It's about the exclusive clubs it belongs to, the company it keeps. And this right here is the heart of the matter. See, buried in the source material for this one little word are two tiny facts, but they are incredibly important and they change absolutely everything. And here it is. This is the big reveal. Check this out. Sudden is on something called the Basic English 850 list. And on top of that, it's also one of the 1,000 most frequently used words in the entire English language. Now look, being on one of these lists is a pretty big deal, but being on both, that makes it a true linguistic powerhouse. So what exactly are these lists? Well, you can think of it like this. The Basic English 850 list is like a hand-picked, curated collection of essential tools. These are the words you need for clear, powerful communication. The top 1,000 list, though, that's more like a popularity contest. It's just based on raw data of what we actually say and write all the time. The fact that sudden is both fundamentally essential and super popular, that's a really rare combination. So what is it about sudden that gives it this special status? Why is it considered so fundamental to the language? Let's take a closer look at what makes it so useful. First off, look at how flexible it is. This word is not a one-trick pony. Of course, you have the basic form, sudden. But you can also compare things. One event can be more sudden than another. And you can pinpoint the extreme, the most sudden change of all. This range makes it incredibly useful for getting across some pretty nuanced ideas with just one single root word. And this example just illustrates its power perfectly. The sentence, "The car crash was very sudden," is so simple, but it is packed with information. It tells you about speed, surprise, shock, all in one go. That is efficient communication at its absolute best, and it's exactly the kind of punch a core vocabulary word needs to have. And on top of that, it's a builder. From the adjective sudden, you can create the adverb suddenly. Now you can describe not just what something is, but how it happens. That kind of versatility is a key feature for the words that made the cut for Basic English. Okay, so let's zoom out and look at the big picture here. We just spent all this time dissecting one single word, but what does it all really mean? Well, it shows the incredible power that's packed into a small, carefully chosen vocabulary. Just think about that number for a second. 850. The whole idea behind the Basic English list is that with just 850 essential words, you can express almost any fundamental idea. It's a shockingly small toolkit to describe our infinitely complex world. And that really just leaves us with a final thought to chew on. We just saw the surprising depth hidden inside just one of those 850 words. So the real question is, if one simple word can hold that much power, how much of our world, our ideas, and our stories can truly be explained with just that core set? It's a sudden thought, isn't it? Thanks for tuning in.